My name's Scott Stecker. I'm 32 years old. Multiple ACL injuries, both from playing basketball. Constant pain during motion, so sitting down, it wouldn't really bother me. Soreness after an activity. Kids or pick something up off the ground, like that would generally irk it and be bothersome.
Okay. What is your experience with the Halo?
So the Halo gives you almost instant relief, kind of a instant revive. It feels better than doing an ice pack or something like that. So occasionally if I ever had really bad knee pain, I'll grab it, do a couple pulls, and then be good. I should do this all the time because it's really more of a long-term fix, it feels like, for me. There isn't any residual pain really afterwards, so I would say yeah, it takes it all.
Feel it?
Yep. It's good.
All right. Okay, so your leg is extended.
Yep.
You feel it?
Mm-hmm.
Feeling good?
Mm-hmm.
Did it help at all?
It feels a little better. Feels a little better. My left one feels way better right now.
I gotta stand further back. There we go.